What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music club and I hitting and smashing up. Bang, you know, people, you already see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, people, we're back in the music club. Yo, Dan Mafia. Yo, clap up on yourself, people. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the love and support y'all been giving your boy. You don't know, we're 2K and we're on the road to 10K. So if you're new to the channel, hit the like and subscribe button. You already know what time it is. Become part of the latest family on YouTube. If you're watching this, the like is for me. Not for the artist, not for the music, but for me. If I entertain you, give you something to watch. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy yourself, hit the like. I don't care if you hate the artist or the music. If you like me, hit the like button. You don't know. Guys, this is what we're dealing with today. We know. We're in the music lab, you know, with artists no stranger to the channel. Yeah, one of the most talented, one of the most artists, recent dancehall artists, definitely a freshman here. Yeah, man, we talk about Byron Messia. And this one is called I Hate Byron. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I go on and say no Byron. Yo, what go on, my youth? You have some self-love issues going on? Or you just talking from second hand away? I hear people say around the place. Yeah, yo, cause if this is coming from inside, you need to love yourself, G. Take care of yourself, G. You need somebody to talk to? Yeah, you can't hit me on IG, bro. You know, I'll be a what do they call it? A listening ear. You need to work by the self-love, bro. If I answer this boy, I say work by self-love, me G. You know what I'm saying? Self-love 2023, I call it. You see me? But yeah, man, guys. Byron Messia drop a new song called I Hate Byron. I'm going to check it out and see what going, what he dealing with it. Yo, Byron Messia a talented artist, so we expect a lot. You know what I'm saying? When an artist bad, I expect song for bad too. You see me? Because now, we're not in the bullshit over here. So if a song I fuck him, I tell you, I fuck straight up. And the fans can't vex, Uno can't vex. I don't give a damn, bro. This is my channel, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. So that's how we are doing it over here from now. So, like me I say, guys, if you're watching this, go ahead, and you know the channel, go hit the like and subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell to get my videos as soon as I get it. And yo guys, if you're watching my video, I want you to hit that like button. The like is for me. It's not for the artist, it's not for the song, it's for me. If you like me and support me, I need you to hit that like button. I don't need this, no video should be under 50 likes, bro. Y'all trying me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all try me, man. Come on. Hit the like button, get your boy videos up. Help your boy get your boy likes up so my videos can get out to other people, so my channel can grow. Show your boy some love and support, bro. I do this for free. I'm entertaining y'all for free, giving y'all good videos and good music for free. And all I'm asking, hit that like button. Come on, man. Help your boy out. Well, like me I say, yeah, guys, today we got Byron Messia, I Hate Byron. Go and check it out. Hopefully the vibes is lit. You know what I'm saying? Probably a little bit different. Yo, I Hate Byron probably gonna be a little bit depressing, but I hope not. So we'll check it out. We'll jump right in that track. Let's even know all of the vibes stronger. This is Byron Messia. I Hate Byron. Let's get it. Why? Though you have too much excitement, you go die out soon. Why? Say you park which part? You want guy? Bro, some bad mind text them a dog. We not claim him. Boy, him and no dancehall artist. Boy, I claim him a rapper instead of kiss me. Go eat that. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you, Byron. Me burn you out for that, bro. Talk about you and a dancehall artist. You see me? That's one of the reasons why I want. Personally, me don't want you flop because you want to start dancehall artists and you want to start dancehall music. You see me? The people want to try to build you up, you try style. So that personally, if that you try to do personal, me want you to flop. Me not lie. If I try this dancehall and I try this dancehall artist, yeah, me want you to flop. Me not grow on it. Me, you know, if you have no career, because you try to style the genre and the culture. Me no business, bro. You can call me and say me a hater or whatever it is. From your DC culture, your career fit done. That me I tell you, fans enough to listen you. Not even give one play. Big man thing, me stand by that. Can you go like say, you know, you're better than dancehall artists, you're better than dancehall. Boy, move up, my youth. Yeah, man. I'm tell you that in your face too. Big man thing.
Run it again, KP.
The question is, why any Jamaican supporting that guy? Suck your mother, Byron. We now own our blood clot. We got enough. We are Jamaica. We make stars. That's facts, bro. To you, man. To you. They want to fight the young artists. Bad. These three are clowns pushing a false narrative to portray Byron in a bad light. Them are a bad mind, youth. No, man. I will come out of your mouth still, no, brother. You say you was not a Bro, you was on fix and you say you was not a dancehall artist, you was a rapper. From this, somebody want you flap out. Me not lie to you. Cause that was a diss. You see me? Dancehall artist, yo, dancehall fans bill you, bro. And they can broke you, yo. Me tell you. Yeah. And then, why make you verse? That they say you're born a yard, you a Jamaican, bro. You try this thing, bro. Man, that shit burn me out. You know I love dancehall music. And you try this thing out. I'm telling you, man. From here, this dancehall, bro. Music and the artist, your career if it done. I mean, I say, this is what I'm saying. You know. I mean, when nobody feel like say, oh, I'm a bad man youth. You know. From here, this dancehall genre and artists that make you, your career if it done with, man. Then if you get another listen, man. But me, you kind of fix it up in a dancehall mag, so you change it up. But here I go.
This again. Nobody know you bumbo clock like me, no die.
Yo, you better snap on this now, yo. Goal them, yeah, goal them. Wicked trini goal them hard, you know, yo. Jesus, best.
Dance I'm more seated. See the pussy them now and give me rating. Tell me dead grandpa me nah go ever feeling. Checking on my pocket full of dead faces. So me dog switch pan me no blame him. Cause if me was bad mind, me do the same thing.
I ain't gonna lie to you. This nigga snap. Nigga say that's almost seated. Them pussy them want give me ratings. Bro, and it's not that, you know, bro. You try to disrespect the genre, bro. Nobody gonna give you the ratings, bro. A dancehall music can't make you, and you better stick to that, and you better be proud of that, youth. I want to you. Because how you gonna say you use a rapper and then you say dancehall most hated? Come on, bro. Make up your mind, man.
Money not change me make a couple changes. Cause the amount of hate and pain what the fame bring. What the fuck them, man? Them not there for long. Can me trust
money not change me make some changes. What you mean? Cause, hey.
Just one out and my love just gone.
The money and the pain
fuck
bring.
Them, man. Since me gone global. Bag a man up on me case but me no fuck no man.
Easy, no?
Tell me what the fuck them, man. Have the kids them a dance like elephant, man.
Got the kids them a dance like elephant, man. Bah, 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 bah. Me not lie. That's a hard ass line. Cause a lot of people forgot when elephant they are running place with dance tune, you know. Elephant used to have the place lit, man, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Lit. And I think that's why dancehall was so nice right then, cause we had so much different dancehall artists and as so much different style. Everybody wanna be Badman and Chopper. But in back in the day, you have a Badman dancer artist, you have a dancehall artist, you have the Gallus dancehall artist, the money, you know what I'm saying? But everybody wanna be the one, yo, Chopper and Badman and all these things. But I like that reference though, back to the
Tell me what the fuck them want. What the fuck them want? We had the life upon the sea for making no God. We left a soul gone since I think it's sober. Jump out, close the door upon the cover.
I like the hook. I like the hook, and this is why. And this me not like the dog bad, but the dog a dissy. The dog a dissy genre. Dog bad, but my dissy genre. And for me no want, yeah. For your dissy genre, you don't forget no support. But for you show your respect, bro. You mean make the dog, yeah, career gone a sky, man.
What the fuck them want?
Yeah, the hook.
We had the life upon the sea for making no God. We left a soul gone since I think it's sober. Jump out, close the door upon the cover. Please find the 50 and never hold man. Anyway, they see them a portal. You should have known, man.
Anyway, they see them portal. You see no man, you dog bad, man.
You should have known, man. Tell you yourself you hold on. When you late, you get to total. Yo, damn, me can't even trust me one pretty bitch. Swan down, give me a milli, stop, up me image. Accept me.
And say, yo, damn, you can't even trust me one pretty bitch. Swan dog, just give me a minute and feel like we're rich. Easy.
Fate is life, I debt me walking one with a stick. Jason Drew is sleep and 11 gun for my wrist.
Man said, Jason pan the jewelry, 11 grand pan the wrist. Bro, it's a big chunk of gold right there, my nigga. Easy.
Out of fight on them give me like a Chuck Norris. I can't divorce out of the streets like so we just married. Everybody love me home until me touch foreign. Now them a talk bag of things.
Man, say about a fight. Me get like a Chuck Norris. You see me? Everybody show me love to me. Touch foreign. I have to.
Father God, tell me why they make me sober. Come let them program. Them don't know, man. Tell me what Jesus do to the romance. I the same thing them want to do to Byron.
Man, say yo. But they don't want to show me love. It's like them program. And they don't know, man. What make they... And then he hit Byron. The man say, yo, what Jesus do? Tell me what Jesus do to tell me what Jesus do to the Romans. And the same thing they might try to do to Byron. Cause Jesus don't do nothing to the Romans, you know. So I say Byron, I say, I'm not do nothing to them people, but they might try. You know what I'm saying? He's like,
when he sees them a portal. You should know, man. You should know, man. Tell you what's every old line. For you later get to daughter. What the fuck them, man? Them not there.
well, for one land, violator, I get a toe tag. Rubub!
Got me just run out and my love just gone. What the fuck them, man? Since me gone global. Bag a man up on me case, but me no fuck no, man.
No, sir, never.
Tell me what the fuck them, man? Have the kids, them a dance like elephant, man.
Them what they want. Have the key, them a dance like elephant, man. Yo, that reference them bad, bro. You see me, cause dog. I guess cause he never grew up in Jamaica. I guess he be on still basically. I wouldn't say stuck, but I'm pretty sure the other islands they mostly listen to the older. They're not too caught on to the newer dancer yet. That's what I'm guessing. You know what I'm saying? They still pay homage to the older ones. You know what I'm saying?
Tell me what the fuck.
Which I think Jamaican artists in Jamaica need to get back. They need to get back to the roots. Make some references back to the roots of the game. You know what I'm saying? Take some, little bits and parts and make some hits. You know?
We are the right body scene for making no guy. We left a swagger since I think it's sober. Jump out, close the door, open the hoover.
Make your swagger since I think you're sober. Hey, what's with the checkered flows, bro? You part of the Illuminati, dog. Byron, why are you with the checkered flows, bro? Come here and notice how much I put them fuck in a dance out, you know.
Queen span the 50 and never hold man. I never see them a poor time. She run woman. She run woman.
Easy. Boom. I ain't gonna lie. I mess with it. Alright. I mess with it. But that's what I mean. I was just saying, bro. I'm telling you, a talented artist, but me, you know what I'm saying? Talented artist, bro. But if you go on this the genre and the culture, bro, yeah, man, the career, if you go down now, whole man, straight up. Me not grow, no apology. But you see, if you ask for respect and love, I mean, man, sky is not even the limit. Beyond this, the stars is the limit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, guys. So, but that was Byron Messia. I hate Byron. Let me know what y'all think about that one in the comment section. You don't know if you love it, go show the artist and love and support. You don't know what time it is, drop your comments. You don't know you can get a shout out and all that. Let me know what you want me to react to next and I'll get it done. Yeah, man, I like the one. The Byron Messia. Byron Messia, keep doing your thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? The dance out, yo. The reason why people are reacting to that, reacting to you like that, bro, is because you diss the culture. People felt diss. You see me? Nobody not hate you, and nobody not wanting to show you love, bro. Yeah, bro, it's because you diss the culture, so them feel diss, so them gonna diss you, which is right. You know what I'm saying? You don't forget no shine if you ever diss the culture, bro. I'm not a dancer artist, I'm a rapper. I'm a rap star, you know, dog. Fuck that, nigga. Career if you go down in a hole, that me I tell you. Yeah, man, but for you show love, man, you know what I'm saying? Keep going and keep doing your thing. You don't know. Guys, let me know what you think about that one. You don't know, it's a boy Jambisco. Let me know what you react to next. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.